All right, the chips have come out of the air fryer. Visually, I like them. Good colorization, good pointed ends. Oh, this one's a double, like a twin. Now, let's try them. We have gravy. They taste very potatoey.
Only that because they're made from potatoes.
No oil.
Oh, God.
Look, there's no oil here, but anyway, let's try this. That is a 50-cent potato.
So what else?
Well, we got some chili stuff on it. Hang on.
Any more?
Pork belly. Roast pumpkin. What else?
Not bad.
Whatever you like. You can put.
Not bad. Oh, that chili stuff's good. Oh, it's got some steam.
I'm gonna buy
Anyway,
The chili stuff.
we'll get. Oh, here's the chili stuff, all the way from America.
like
Brilliant.
casseroles.
Love it.
Oh,
Can't buy it here.
Get me some more.
Maybe you can.
does it come with a cookbook or
All right.
just Google?
I'll get back to you.
What